Top news headlines. 6 Iraqi militia members killed in second drone strike ordered by President Trump in Baghdad. And Thawal media team embarks on 4-day trip to Assam, Meghalaya. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. You're watching News Today. I'm JESSIA giving you the news in details. 6 members of the Popular Mobilization Forces, an official Iraqi military organization with ties to Iran, were killed in another U.S. drone strike in northern Baghdad on Friday, multiple officials told Newsweek, according to a media report. The strike comes a day after President Donald Trump approved an operation that killed an elite Iranian general. Pentagon official told Newsweek Friday evening the operation was targeting Imam Ali brigades with a high probability. The strike resulted in the death of its leader, Shubul al-Jaidi. The U.S. operation that targeted Jaidi was a part of the same degradation effort Trump approved Thursday morning, which killed Iranian Revolutionary Guard Quds Force Commander Major General Qasem Soleimani. Speaking Friday from his Florida resort in Mar-a-Lago, Trump said that strike that killed Soleimani was ordered to stop a war and prevent attacks on American personnel. Iranian officials have sworn revenge, and Trump led the strike sent already soaring tensions into a potential tailspin. Meanwhile, U.S. President Donald Trump has accused the slain Iranian military leader Qasem Soleimani of being responsible for terrorist plots in New Delhi. Trump said that Soleimani met the death of innocent people, his sick patient, contributing to terrorist plots as far away as New Delhi and London. While Trump did not specify the plots in India, he may have been referring to a 2012 bombing of the car of the wife of the Israeli defense attached to India. A 6-member team of Thawal District Journalists Union today left Imphal for a 4-day tour to the neighboring states of Assam and Meghalaya. The tour hopes to strengthen the relationship with the Meitei diaspora in these states. The team was flagged off by Wangjing Tenta MLA P. Brojan from Wangji. During the trip, the 6-member team will attend worshipping of Khairakpa Irel at Kasar and will later visit a Meitei locality at Meghalaya's Bolganj and Assam Hosai Lanka. The team will learn about the living standard, economic status, political and constitutional rights of the minority Meiteis in these states. Speaking at the flag-off event, MLA P. Brojan lauded the team for the trip. Brojan said that such move will reinforce the ties with the Meitei diaspora in these parts of the world. The media team comprises Thawal correspondent of TOMTV, lamjingbatomtv, AIR, DDK, Impact TV, Ichel Express, Poknapam, Naharol Gitaudang, Free Press and Morning Bell.
Thawal District Media Team Koigi Nasi Koi Badaleba, Koigi Nana Labor State Sinda, Ashamda, Meghalaya, Tripura, the Koina Chakaduriba, Koigi Igi, Marie Sinau Sing, Metis and Housing Tarib, Kunsing, the Koina Chakaduriba journey, Sia, Tokimatic. Appreciate the jail and Naina, Masi, the wish spinning, Ibasi, Kogi, Mapam the Lady, Kogi, Meditation, now singing Awana, Ikogi, Powdum, Ikogi, Sidata, Pomoto, Powdum, Makogi, Awana, Ipau, Purapu, and Makogi, when a darka, like Basing Shook and a Pang, Mangambasu, the Makogi, my Kagi, Manipur, the Labor Meditation, and Ocean Makoida, Pinning Ba, Pang Binning, Bapuna Maximediatimna. Punamaktu Unabiraga Pubiraga, Akoi Masenusi Charana, Akoi Pai Pugi, Maridu, Ningsing Ba, Masung Aquana Moibu, Carito, Bibiaba, when I quit the Carito Royaba, when I quit a Sato Punamakto, Akoi Puraga Lapu, Nuana Chapu, Mediatim Lopus, I give best wishes to Pizari, and take the Kaitan, Nuana Muk, and Biro, Hanina Pogen, Pizari.
TOMTV group of companies today organized a team convention at the Imperial Hall of Classic Grande, Chingmarong. The convention was attended by Chairperson and Managing Director of TOMTV Group of Company, TH Hemo, Corporate Advisor Rahul Sharma, Y. Sanamani, and Dr. CH Ibohal and staff members of the company. Experts delved into finance at the convention. Chairman TH Hemo said that the company provides housing loans to the public and also home loans to entrepreneurs for startup under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana credit-linked subsidy scheme.
It is extremely applicable to this our state Manipur. It is also an NBFC like NBFC. Aduga, it is regulated by Ministry of Corporate Affairs, MCA, Government of India, under the guidance and direction of Reserve Bank of India. So, magi rate of interest 12.5 na maximum rate of interest. Aduga Reserve Bank of India na license pito ko NBFC na low deposit na 12.5 ani sa mane. Aduga parenam. Adu parenam si ngasay parenam haibasi ako Manipur khakta dane par mansa na risi outside Manipur di par man haibalite. So mane sana bane.
Now it's time for a short break. Coming up next, we have news on one-day state-level workshop on the issue of heavy school bags held at lamjingbatomtv, Imphal.
Madeline Ambulance Service Manipurna pung kunmari chupna miyam gi seba taugzari. Ambulance service asina miyam da pizariba service singdi yumdagi hospital da pukhatpa hospital dagi yumda puthaba hospital amadagi hospital amada puba yum thang nariba state singda anaba sing puba amadi lauba loinana India gi mafam khudimakta chatpa yaraba air ambulance ki service asina chingmani. Masida natana lambi gi accident ta lemna hospital da pukhatuna miyam gi mateng pangjari. Adom sunga simak save taushin biu aikhoi gi contact number 9205987988 natraga Play Store sangbiduna Madeline F download tobiu.
Admission open. Board of Secondary Education Manipur na recognized Royal Academy of Science Wangkhay Imphal gi academic session 2021 gi mingchanabagi damak class 6 tagi na 10 fawbagi form thaba hauzare. Afaba satra leizade afaba satra puthokjabani. Akupa marol gi damak academy office ta contact tobiu.
Welcome back after the break. National Commission for Protection of Child Rights NCPCR in collaboration with Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights MCPCR and Seva Bharati, Manipur today organized a one-day state-level workshop on the issue of heavy school bags at lamjingbatomtv, Imphal. The workshop was attended by Senior Technical Expert, Northeast Cell Education Division NCPCR, Pradesh Shah, Program Officer Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Smuel Yumnam, Chairperson of MCPCR, Sumatibala Ningthaujam, and member of MCPCR, Dr. H. Shukdeva Sharma. Thawal Police, along with the volunteers of Yumkhaipam Athletic Development Association YADA, this morning seized 11.20 gram of heroin from the possession of one Muhammad Nasir Hussain, aged 28 years, son of Muhammad Abdul Halim of Lilong Uku Mathak. The seized contraband item, along with arrested, has been handed over to Lilong Police Station for further necessary actions, according to a report. The first lunar eclipse of 2020 will take place on January 10 and will be visible from India. This is the first of the 4 penumbral lunar eclipses of the year. According to media reports, the lunar eclipse is expected to start around 10:30 p.m. and continue till 10 to 2:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. And during the time, 90% of the moon will be partially covered. Only the outer part of the shadow appearing of the moon will be visible. The eclipse will not be visible in the US. However, the Asian, African, and the European nations, along with Australia, will have a full view of the eclipse. A Lashkar-e-Taiba militant was arrested from a hospital in Kashmir this morning. According to reports, Nisar Ahmad Dar, a resident of Hazin area of Bandipur district in North Kashmir, was arrested by the Special Operations Group of the Jammu and Kashmir Police from Sri Maharaj Hari Singh Hospital, Kashmir. Once again, it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Singzu Festival 2020
from 28 December 2019 to 6 January 2020.
Festival asigi manung channa
Thangta,
blood donation camp,
Mukna,
painting competition,
musical night,
solo dance competitions,
Likon,
Miss Singju Queen 2020. Lamda masida khundamina riba furup kayagi cultural programs su pangthok charagani.
Singzu Festival 2020.
Singzu Festival 2020.
Lamda masida khundamina riba isna punamakna.
Toidana saruk yaba lakpi. Wangjing Kodom Popi Lampakta pangthok charagani.
Lamda masigi miyam na saruk yabiduna festival asibu mapung phanbi.
Dakshila Institute, admission open, courses on offer. Dakshila Capsule NEET for NEET 2020 eligibility 12 pass. Duration 3.5 months and course fee is 1,214 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of January 2020. Dakshila Capsule JEE for JEE 2020 April session. Eligibility 12 pass. Duration 2.5 months and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of Jan 2020. Dakshila Crash Course NEET for NEET 2020. Eligibility 12 pass and appeared. Duration 1.5 months, 45 days approximately, and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on mid of March 2020. Admission free for super achievers like position holders in 10 or 12 any board exam, 85% and above in 10 or 12 in any board exam, 75% and above in HSLC for the students of Heritage Convent who are eligible to take NEET or JEE 2020. Hurry, if your dream is to become a doctor or an engineer. What are you waiting for? For more details, please contact Takshila Imphal branch at Takshila Heights, Thamaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Scan the QR code for online.
Khurumjari Lamjingba Finance na makal khudingmaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment singeba loan pizari. Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawda loan phongbiragani amadi adom gi achinba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano makal khudimaki gari ke asu bandan lawzare Christmas ke oiba khadaba offer su pisari akupa marol gi damak lengsin birau Lamjingba Finance Nagamapa Rims Road opposite Nitainanda Temple natragana
Lamjingba Finance Uripok Hawam Diwan Lekai
ekoi gi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro.
Welcome back after the break. The death toll from floods in Indonesia's capital rose to 43 as rescuers found more bodies amid receding flood waters, according to reports. Monsoon rains and rising rivers submerged at least 182 neighborhoods in Greater Jakarta and caused landslides in the Bogor and Depok districts on the city outskirts, which buried a dozen people. It was the worst flooding since 2013, when 57 people were killed after Jakarta was inundated by monsoon rains. Floodwater receded in some parts of the city on Thursday evening, enabling residents to return to their homes. Bushfires are burning dangerously out of control on Australia's east coast today, fueled by soaring temperatures and strong wind that had firefighters battling to save lives and property. Authorities have said conditions could be worse than New Year's Eve, when fire burned massive tracts of bushland and forced thousands of residents and summer holiday makers to seek refuge on beaches. The government announced an unprecedented call-up of Army reservists to support firefighters as well as other resources, including a third Navy ship equipped for disaster and humanitarian relief. We have the sports news. Tiluk Kesam of Manipur has bagged Global Child Prodigy Award in skating. He received the award during a function at Asoka Hotel, Chanakyapuri, New Delhi yesterday. Tiluk Kesam is among top 100 prodigies from across the globe in the category of skating, who also recently won a gold medal in 57 National Slalom Freestyle Skating Championship at Vikas. Multiple Grand Slam winner Serena Williams and Svetlana Kuznetsova are set to resume their 16-year rivalry after being drawn today to face each other in the first round of next week Auckland WTA Classic. Tournament top seed Williams 38 and Kuznetsova 34 are in a competitive half of the draw, in which the veterans are competing against the rising stars of tennis, including American teen sensations Amanda Anisimova and Coco Gauff, as well as 22-year-old Latvian Jelena Ostapenko. Williams lead Kuznetsova 10-3 in their head-to-heads dating back to 2004 and has won 23 Grand Slams compared to 2 for the Russians. Now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. On the back of reshuffle demand, Biren heads for Delhi. Won't back and ins, says Amit Shah on Citizenship Amendment Act. Unity call rings out on Desam Foundation Day. The Civil Society Coalition for Human Rights in Manipur highlights right violations to United Nations Special Rapporteur. The People's Chronicle. Compensation row clouds Asian highway expansion work. Rupees 2,000 not legal tender, refusal punishable. Directorate exposes unregistered diagnostic centers. Inner line permit camp to open at Dharmashala. Iran general's killing triggers global alarm. Imphal Free Press. Union government won't budge an inch on Citizenship Act, says Amit Shah. CA will bring massive ethnocide of Northeast indigenous people, says Civil Society Coalition for Human Rights in Manipur. Congress vows resolution against Citizenship Amendment Act in Assam. 28 diagnostic centers under State Medical Directorate scanner. Lamkhang Kuno locals cry fall over land compensation. The Morning Bell. Health Department directs RIMS Jennings not to accept reports from 28 unregistered labs. MP Ranjan attends Lainingthau Puthiba Harauba in Tripura. Desam 18 Foundation Day. Professor Ratan Kumar stresses need for rectification of defective education system. Workshop on monitoring survey of cancer risk factors and health system response in Manipur Health.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Six Iraqi militia members killed in second drone strike ordered by President Trump in Baghdad. And Thawal media team embarks on 4-day trip to Assam and Meghalaya. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.